What is going on, everybody? All right, so 2007 Toyota 4Runner Sport Edition 4-wheel drive with the 4.7 liter V8. It's already jacked up, guys. All right, so you guys may recall a few TikToks ago I showed an issue with the diff, front diff in particular. It is on 6-ton jack stands. It is secure. So issue is now the diff is puking out of the pinion seal. You guys may recall that I tightened up the pinion because the backlash was horrible. So now this truck was clean. Now there's diff fluid all over this cross brace, all over the front drive shaft, all over the transmission bell housing right there, all over this plastic wing that goes off the rear skid plate. The rear skid plate's just soaked in it. Crossbar is soaked. And you guys might be thinking, like, this is a sport model, why doesn't it have the X grease? Well, it does. Well, it did. These clamps right here, originally for the X grease, but all of this is diff fluid. It's all over the U-joint, everything. And if I slide, just show you guys, it's all over this center support. Here is the passenger side. Oh, just scooting under the truck. There you go. Right out the pinion flange. Right out the back of the rear seal, right behind the pinion flange. So I'm just gonna service this. I gotta repair a broken bolt on the front skid plate. I gotta drill that out. So I'm just gonna put 85 W140 in it for now. This diff is not easy to find. It's an all-wheel drive, so it always spins all the time. I can find 2-wheel drive with the actuator for 4-wheel drive, high and low, and then go back to 2-wheel drive. But this is the V8 model. It comes standard with all-wheel drive all the time, so I can't just bolt one of those in. I mean, I could take the companion arm or the axle arm off of one side like this. I could take the extension arm off one side, remove the shifter assembly, put it back on.